Hi, I'm Dr. Eric Yu from Proactive Wellness Center, and I'm here to talk about what we do here. So we specialize in a soft tissue treatment called active release technique, or ART. When I talk about soft tissue, I'm mostly talking about muscles, but I'm also talking about tendons, ligaments, nerves. But we have this connective tissue that connects it all together called fascia. And I brought an orange to show what fascia is. So if this represents a muscle, the white film that holds it all together and gives it its shape, that's fascia in our muscles. So the problem with the fascia is that either through injury or repetitive movements or long periods of muscle tightness, this fascia gets inflamed and then it gets scarred. And that scar tissue, we call it fascial adhesions. When it comes to physical pain, where let's say you have neck pain or low back pain, a lot of the pain actually comes from the fascia. The fascia actually happens to be one of the most pain-sensitive structures in your body. When people sit a lot and they have knots up here, that's scar tissue or fascial adhesions. When I talk about fascial adhesions, the next question people ask is, well, who cares? Like, why is it a big deal? It's a big deal because a lot of the pain that we feel is coming from the soft tissue or the fascia. ART is specifically designed to break up this scar tissue. And how it's done, we use our hands, we use patient movement, so it's a pressure with a stretch to break up the scar tissue. If my hands represent muscles, let's say two muscles like this, there should be movement between the muscles, but when scar tissue forms, it literally glues it together. That's why they're called adhesions, it's adhesive. So ART goes right in between those muscles to break up that scar tissue. And when we make the soft tissue healthier, oftentimes it results in pain relief. So I'm going to demonstrate how ART is done. So let's say this patient has neck pain or shoulder pain. You know, a lot of people who sit, they have knots in here. That's scar tissue. And we're gonna try to break that up. I put my hands here and it's pressure with a stretch. And we just go down this muscle, feel for the scar tissue, and then we try to go in between these muscle layers to break up the scar tissue or these adhesions that we're talking about. And we're just trying to pry these muscles apart. We can actually apply this technique to anywhere where you have muscles and fascia. So your jaw, your hands, your feet. One more. If you have any type of chronic pain and you've tried different treatments before and it just hasn't helped, I highly encourage you to at least try ART. See if this is the right treatment for you.